The first and last term of an AP are given to us. If the sum is 814, very good. One, find the number of terms in the AP. What we are saying here is, with the idea that the first and last term is given to us, the first and last term, remember the formula? Okay? So you can see, we are told the sum is 814. The first term is given to us as 79. The last term is minus 5. Okay? Which is equals to this. Which is equals to 74. 1, 3, 7. That is 37n. The Bible says by 37. And therefore, it's equals to 814 over 37. If you divide this, you're going to have 22. Therefore, n is equals to 22. Okay? So it means the total number of terms is 22. What about the common difference? We can find the common difference from where? From any of these, because now we can come here to say this equals to a plus n minus 1 d. Okay? What is the last term? It was given to us minus 5. What was the first term? It was given to us 79. Do we know the last term now? Of course, 22. Now we can find d. So minus 5 equals to 79 plus 21 multiplied by d. Minus 5 minus 79 equals to 21d. If you do this, you're going to have 84 equals to 21d. The Bible says by 21, this equals to 84 over 21. Please remember there's minus here. We have to still retain the minus. If you divide this now, you're going to have 4. So d therefore is equals to minus 4. This is a common difference. Hope you understand this. Thank you for viewing.